Welcome back to Cooking with Me. I'm me, and if you are you, then we are exactly who we should be. Today is the second installment of the Keto Craft Corner, where I explore artisanal keto finds that I've never seen before and I just want to try out. I call it the Keto Craft Corner because it reminds me of my old hobby of trying out new craft beers. But on the keto diet, I do not drink anymore, so I'm stuck with cheese and hot sauce and fermented vegetables and other keto-friendly things that I find. Honorable mention from the last episode, the Beamster Smoked Gouda was the winner by far of all the cheeses that I tried. I've bought this 3 or 4 times since then. Today we have Yancey's Fancies, a New York artisan cheese, and I just really like the name, so I bought 3 of them. We have the horseradish, the buffalo wing, and hatch chili. I'm gonna try all 3. I've also made a keto charcuterie of sorts, which is French for fancy lunchables. This is what happens when I'm too lazy to cook. Let's see, we have blackberries, pepperoni, roasted salted pecans, pork skins, peanut butter, and chocolate chips. The chocolate chips are made by Lily's, which is sweetened with stevia, so it is keto friendly. And for my beverage, I'm going to enjoy a Zevia root beer. And in the hot sauce department, today I'm trying out Camp Dog Jalapeno hot sauce, which somebody gave to me in South Louisiana. I was there doing some work and this guy just stopped me on the street and he was like, "Hey, welcome to South Louisiana. Here is some Camp Dog hot sauce." And that was very nice of him. So shout out to them. Get you some is the slogan. In fact, let's try the hot sauce first. Oh wow! That's really good. You can taste the jalapenos and it's not too spicy. Cheers. The hatch chili by Yancey's Fancies. Oh wow! It's very good, kind of a mild cheese with some zesty peppers in it. Now let's try the horseradish. Oh wow! That one's very interesting because I didn't taste the horseradish for several seconds. You scream "oh wow" after you chew it a few times. The blackberries are good too. Yeah, the horseradish is not overpowering and it's more of like an aftertaste, but it's really good. It's like a mild cheese with some horseradish kick to it. It really is fancy. Go ahead, Yancey's. Now let's try the buffalo wing. Oh wow! This one has some kick to it, but not too much. I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to spicy things. I know I live in Texas, but it's true. I like spicy things, but I start sweating almost immediately, so I had to eat a couple of blackberries and a sip of root beer, but I'm okay now. I'm ready to eat more of this cheese. So those are my new artisanal keto finds that I got at the store. Do you have any interesting keto foods that you found? Maybe leave a comment so that the rest of us can buy it and enjoy it. And maybe if I can find it, I'll even feature it on the show and you can watch me eat it. I'll do it in slow motion even. Okay, this has been Cooking with Me. I've been me and I hope that you've been you. Till next time.
Cooking with me, cooking with me. Doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.